Whoa, whoa.
So, folks, we all experience challenges in our lives, and sometimes how we react makes some of these experiences worse. This morning, Empress and I will be turning a few negative experiences into a more positive outcome. The first one said, my car was just stolen. That's the negative. What's the positive? So I'll give the negative and you come up with the positive.
I must come up with the positive?
Yeah, because you're a positive woman.
As an optimist.
Yeah.
Eternal optimist.
My car was just stolen.
All right. So as the eternal optimist, I would say the positive in this is that, okay, I get the insurance money, I can buy a new car, or an opportunity to be reminded, positive, that there are wicked people in the world and thief them out, and a life lesson. Okay, if they stole my car, what could I do to avoid this in the future? But the only positive I can think of would be insurance money come and you could decide to get a new car, or
another positive is that you were not in the car.
And you were not in the car.
So you're still alive and safe.
You have positive in your bloodstream?
Yes, plenty.
Oh, Lord.
Second one, my bank account was just wiped out.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, you're positive up that one now?
I don't know. How you know how you're positive that? To realize a life lesson. Money come, money can easily go.
Yeah.
And then the positive is your approach. How do you deal with the bank?
Well, a positive also could be that, you know, you're married, so they never thief my husband money. So we still have little money in the account. We can go supermarket and buy
I think
some
you've
stuff.
thought through this.
No, it's the first I've seen it.
Very good.
Scenario number 3, they broke into my house and stole my appliances. They stole the TV, microwave, and the toaster oven.
Okay. The
Positive
positive is this. No, the electricity bill will be cheaper this week. JPS not take my money because me now watch TV, me now run the microwave and the toaster oven. However, maybe a good opportunity to look at your security process, your security system in your home, security prevention.
And again, the positive is that you're married and you have kids and they didn't touch your husband nor your children.
That's so good.
They're fine.
So and I think what you're saying, and the theme I'm hearing,
his life is more
in your
than,
positive anecdotes is that.
Well, let me hear how you work out this
Okay,
one.
go
My
ahead.
girlfriend/boyfriend cheated on me.
Thank God, I was trying to get rid of you anyway. I needed a reason to say bye-bye, and now you've given me a reason.
So that's your positive?
Adios.
All
Yes.
right.
or a good opportunity to revisit the laws of the land as it relates to
Oh, they have laws
polygamy.
that look at cheating.
Well, I'm saying
Okay.
Jamaican men cheat a lot, maybe because we haven't allowed them to have 2, 3 wives. I'm just saying, no, I'm not saying Jamaican men cheat a lot. Please be careful.
Yeah.
I'm saying if that is the case that because you did say my girlfriend or boyfriend, the partner
Yeah,
was
you talk
allowed
so
to
long,
be
let
in
me
a
wrap you up. There's no water to bathe,
polyandry
wash clothes, and
polygamy
cook.
relationship.
There's no water to bathe, wash clothes, and cook. Quickly with that one there.
A long time I don't want to be a
All right. I have no money to pay my tuition for next semester.
I can become an entrepreneur instead.
And I have no job after sending out so many resumes.
I become an entrepreneur
There you
opportunity.
go. Those are the positive, folks.
Yes.